The third best performing stock, let's take a look and see what it was looking like just before it took off. Again, this pattern was very popular last year, where you had this kind of shoulder area followed by another low. Here's your huge spikes in volume coming off that low at 87 cents. On balance volume has been going up. Even though price did not make a new high, the on balance volume line is definitely higher than the previous high. And that's an indication that the stock is being accumulated, because there's lots of shares being traded here. If you were to trade this stock, you'd probably be looking at buying it at a breakout above this 198 area, probably $2. And why? Well, so that was the previous high, and you want to be above that, and you're hoping prices stay above that, because in the auction environment, new highs bring in new buyers very typically. The only time that doesn't happen is if you have a failed auction or a sucker's rally. But that's what stop losses are for. And as you can see, as this stock begins to go up in value, you have more volume coming in. The on-balance volume line is going up along with price. There's nice points where you can put in a new entry if you missed it. This is an area where there's a clearly definable place for your stop loss and a clearly definable place where you could put in an order. There's another one here. You might want to buy around 5 with a stop loss around 340, or buy around 8 with a stop loss around 575. And this one ran all the way to about $21 a share from $1.55. Another phenomenal run. And as of right now, you can see there's a high level base being put in. Here's your smile and price, smile and volume. On balance volume's falling this whole time, but as soon as the price activity picks up, it starts rising again fast. So this is an area where maybe you could have traded it off of the $10 level. Here's another smile. A little bit of a smile in the volume. This is another opportunity to buy right here at 28.80 if you wanted to follow this one up. And so that's where we are today. We don't know what's going to happen to that one. Maybe it'll keep going up. Maybe it won't.